Hello, this is greeting for lesson 2. Let's look at the sentence. I'm from Taiwan. I'm from Taiwan. I'm 我 from 来自 Taiwan 台湾 I'm from Taiwan 我来自台湾 Repeat after me 我来自台湾 If you want to learn Chinese very good, you must learn each character. Maybe it's very difficult for foreigner to learn Chinese, but study hard and try to write the character, Chinese character. So repeat after me. 我来自台湾 I'm from Taiwan. I'm from Taiwan. 我来自台湾 So, please read again. 我来自台湾 I'm from Taiwan. The second sentence is I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I means 我 am is 是 a means 一位 teacher 老师我是一位老师 I am a teacher. I am a teacher. 我是一位老师 One more time. 我是一位老师 You can see the pronunciation. If you cannot understand the Chinese characters, you can see how to pronounce. I am a teacher. 我是一位老师 Okay, let's see next sentence. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See means 见 You means 你 but in Chinese we didn't say in this translation. So we omit 你 Tomorrow means 明天 So the whole sentence is see you tomorrow means 明天见 See you tomorrow 明天见明天见 See you tomorrow 明天见 I hope I can see you tomorrow. So let's see you tomorrow. Bye.